So we designed in-game to deal with the particular challenges in the game industry around risk. What we put in place was a system that allowed games companies to explore in a risk-free environment, either to experiment with technology in new ways or to diversify into new sectors. And perhaps the biggest value to the industry was that we built a team within Abertay that worked across multiple different projects, and so they held the knowledge from project to project. I'm Professor Jim Bown. I'm Interim Dean of the School of Design and Informatics. So Scotland's quite unique in terms of its size and shape. We have a large number of higher education institutes, each doing their own really great R&D work. What Scottish Government have been able to do is to orchestrate that activity through pools, through the innovation centres, through other core funding, to get the very best bits of each of those working together. And I think that's really, really useful, but very difficult to do at a scale larger than Scotland.
Bringing in additional funding from the Scottish Government has let us be much more experimental, break new ground, I think, and work with people that might not otherwise been able to work with. I'm Professor Gregor. I'm Director of CoStar Real-Time Labs, which is a new research project focusing in on next generation production methods using digital technologies and digital tools. We've also been looking at the potential of the tools for serious applications. So how can it be used in a healthcare environment, in a transit system, in a planning environment? So this, what we call applied games, branch is beginning to grow, and you can see the benefits of using games technology in those spaces to allow people to play with ideas and engage with each other in a slightly different way that maybe offers a bit more flexibility and imagination. I think what's emerging as a real strength is the integration between research and innovation, and we're seeing those pipelines being joined up. So opportunities for people to exploit innovation are becoming easier. I think the immediate impacts that we've had doing game, for example, has been increases in profitability, increased employment, increased investment. So we've seen much more money coming into Dundee from other international partners. So we're seeing Dundee's games cluster growing into a kind of mature industry. I think longer term, we're going to create new, interesting, exciting jobs for young people as they come through university and go out into the world. It's a much more diverse, much more interesting, much more opportunity-rich space for young people moving out, coming through courses like the ones we have here and going out into the world and taking jobs in all sorts of interesting places.